Omanye Royals, woya, yay, yeni mo, mufri Canada, aye. Hello, Abusia, for the Omanye Royals. Who are they? Omufri, hey, and Omama Chichi and Ghana Chrono Abomobosa. Abusia, we can all attest to the fact that the Omanye Royal Wedding was a visual masterpiece. Woya yay, yeni mo. Omanye Royals was say baby we what anymore. Hey, Omanye Royals is sukroma baby ewu. So when Omanye abetremo levels. Hey, I've been a Ghana for muhe. Oh, motivation ham for mu fake or mu say. Hey, who actually instituted royalty? Who said somebody is royal and somebody is not royal? Who said? Who has that judgment? Who has that final say to appoint somebody as a royal and somebody as a fake? Oh, nya brofundi be dada yen enu abebwa na royal fine kwesi na we royal na mode munye royal Omanye Royal se mutena ho ene royal royal no nakasa ne se sini boso akase me royal. So whether omu ye fake or whether omu ye denyon they are Omanye no ma ba abetire mu levels. Hey, anyone baby omu ye strangers to all of us because we've never seen them, we've never heard of them before, all the way from Ehifa Ottawa, Asuwa, Awo, to hold on to say, I don't want to go crony so just to come and do a wedding. Hey, Canada for levels womb, much Omanye Royals, woya, yay.
For example, scholarships like the EA Okang Scholarship for Academic Excellence and other incentives can help level the playing field and give deserving children an equal opportunity to succeed. In addition to financial support, promoting access to education for all requires addressing other barriers that prevent underserved communities from accessing education. This includes improving infrastructure, providing teacher training and support, as well as addressing cultural biases that prevent some groups from participating in academics in general. By focusing on underserved communities, we help narrow the gap between those who have and those who do not have.
Ebusia ejuma omobeye no emu mpopoye enu hu bi na prince no eka egu homa mono mo akasa muntie na mo head on to their website omanyeroyalkingdom.org I believe or .com. Mo konko search it, just type it onto Google, you will find them. Yeni mo mufri Canada aye mo be say baby Omanye bad the Omanye Royals bad no man that baby say maybe ewu mo shut it down baby. Hey, and if I Ghana for bullshit, oh, na munye fake, and na munye faker, and if I mufi, and if I could see him, Omanye Royals. If you want to know where the Omanye Royals really comes from, stay tuned. Right after this video, I am going to reveal the royalty where they belong in Accra. I'm going to reveal that to you. So don't go anywhere because right now I'm going to show you what went on in Ebri Gardens during the traditional marriage of the beloved Prince Alvin, and the new Princess Chantal. Don't go anywhere.